Hello everyone, कैसे हैं आप सब? Hope you guys are doing well. Today we'll be going to an exclusive villa in the midst of Cauvery North Wild Sanctuary, which is spread across 552 square kilometer. It is just a distance of 40 kilometer from Bangalore. It is strategically placed, having a vantage point of observing the elephant crossing corridor. If you love adventure, if you're close to nature, this is the place for you. So आज के वीडियो को हम टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेंगे. फर्स्ट पार्ट में विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस रिसॉर्ट एंड ऑल द अमेनिटीज इट प्रोवाइड्स in terms of view, parking, all the facilities it has, indoor outdoor games it provides, and the kind of foods they serve, whether it has vegetarian, non-vegetarian, timing of the food they provide. Everything we'll be covering in the first part. And in the second part, we will be talking about if you come to this place, what it has to offer, things to do, places to explore nearby, what all you can do, where all you can go, what are the adventurous things you can do. All those things we'll be covering. Along with that, we'll be also covering, talking about the elephant corridor, the jungle view that starts from this place. So everything we'll be covering in this video. So let's start. अभी हम निकल रहे हैं. I'll be talking about the distance and what are the routes we have to take. So this property basically falls in Gumlapuram village in Tamil Nadu. So it is a border of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. And distance wise अगर हम बात करें, HSR layout जो है वहाँ से आपको 39-40 किलोमीटर के आसपास पड़ेगा. वाइटफील्ड से 45 किलोमीटर्स. अगर आप एयरपोर्ट से आ रहे हैं देन इट इज अराउंड 80 किलोमीटर्स फॉर यू. और यशवंतपुर रेलवे स्टेशन से आपको 70 किलोमीटर पड़ेगा. सो ये जो डिस्टेंस अभी आप देख रहे हैं, दिस इज आनेकल थाली रोड. सो आप जैसे आते हैं चंदापुर से, यू हैव टू टेक अ लेफ्ट एंड देन यू कम थ्रू आनेकल बाईपास एंड उसके बाद देन यू टेक अ राइट डाइवर्शन एंड दिस विल टेक यू टुवर्ड्स द डेस्टिनेशन. सो अब ये जो देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे हम गुमलापुरम विलेज में हैं और दिस इज दी ऑफ रोड काइंड ऑफ. ये एक बालाजी टेम्पल है, यहाँ पे भी आप आ सकते हैं. दिस रोड फॉर 1 किलोमीटर रेंज रहेगा. ये ऑफ रोड रहेगा थोड़ा एंड दिस विल टेक यू टुवर्ड्स दी रिसॉर्ट. अगर आप बाहर से आ रहे हैं सो बेटर आप स्टेशन से हो या एयरपोर्ट से, बेसिकली यू कैन बुक अ कैब एंड इट विल ब्रिंग यू टू द डेस्टिनेशन. और सब जगह से कैब अवेलेबल है. So as we have reached the place, let me talk about the things that it offers. It is good for kids and it has a very good view. So that is a plus point for this. They have a swimming pool. They have that mountain view like I was talking about. In your package you have breakfast included and they provide barbecue for grilling as well. They have a place and it is pet friendly as well. So they have basically 3 floors and each floor has a private bathroom fitted with free toiletries and they have outdoor furniture as well, and they have Wi-Fi this place as well, and you get a balcony view as well. And along with that you get your private wardrobe and kettle if you want to make your own tea, coffee, and vegetarian breakfast milta hai, dosa, idli and all. So this is the room tour that I'm giving you, as we are talking about the rooms and the facility it has. This is the balcony view. You get the mountain view from here. So outdoor games, you have cricket track they have created, and they have badminton for you if you want to play some time outdoor games. And indoor में carom available है. You have foosball, you have a gym provided if you want to work out. So majority of the things that you need it has it. So though I reached little late, but I was served with breakfast of dosa and omelette, and later on I had naan and paneer sabji. So overall, the food that I had as I reached was really good, and they serve you at your room. So service wise also they provide a very good service. So after our food we went for a stroll, or just in 500 meters आप देख सकते हैं, you will see the forest range starts from here, and basically this is on top of the periphery itself. So just you come out of the property and you see the jungle view, and you can see the corridor where the elephants and other wild animals pass. Perched atop rolling hillside harmony calls out seekers of both serenity and excitement. Upon arrival, grandeur of 552 square kilometer Cauvery North Wildlife Sanctuary unfolds, offering of breathtaking view, and they have all the security, all the safety as well. They have a regal Bullykutta for your safety as well. And once you come out of the resort, the view that you see is mesmerizing. So we had spent some around 1 to 2 hours here, just looking at the nature, playing some games, taking some pictures and videos. By the time it was getting a little dark, and we had to come back. So sunset देखने के बाद we were heading back within 10-15 minutes we were back in the property again. And काफ़ी अच्छा है, शाम को weather बहुत अच्छा ठंडा हो जाता है. You don't feel that heat. Even in the summer, we had traveled in the summer season, but still we didn't feel that heat there as well, because it is in the middle of hilltop and forest range. So add-on services में breakfast is complimentary, and other than that, if you have a vegetarian non-vegetarian meals, and that can be availed with additional cost. और barbecue वगैरह भी आप कर सकते हैं. They provide that with additional cost as well. During the night time, this place becomes really good, and with the cool breeze and the atmosphere becomes very nice. If you have come with your friends and family in a group, you will enjoy this place more so over in the night time. Like I said, they have a barbecue kit as well, grilling kit as well, and they can set a bonfire for you. They have a place and they'll charge 1,000 rupees for that. In other experiences, they can take you to the nearby elephant crossing corridor. They can arrange your travel and all.
चपाक दो दो मछली मछली पानी में गई चपाक चपाक ठीक 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 मछली मछली पानी पानी में गई चपाक चपाक हाँ चार मछली 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 पानी में गई
So you can play some team building activities here, and have very good time. If you have come with a family, very very nice place to sit quietly, talk, relax, enjoy the music. So we had a very good time in the evening. Once dinner was prepared, we were served with dinner, and there was chicken for people who prefer non-veg, and there was paneer, rice, dal, available for both non-veg and veg. Post our dinner, we spent some time playing carom, and almost we spent around 1 to 2 hours, and with drinks and carom, it was really nice time spent, and post that we went to bed. Good morning, friends. So today we got up at around 6:30 to 7. It was nice fresh morning. So in the morning we went for a walk again. So the fresh breeze that you get here, that you don't get it in the town. So that's a very good plus point staying in this place. And they have few cats as well, pet. And from the balcony, the view, we spotted few peacocks on the way while going towards that corridor again. So it was a nice morning stroll for everyone. Few people stayed back, few people came. So we had a very good time having a walk. So हमने morning में sunrise भी देख लिया, और we had a very good walk for almost 1 hour. Then we returned back to our property. So on our return, we were served with dosa, chutney, idli, and nice cup of coffee and tea. And tea was I was again basis your preference, you will be provided with coffee or tea. So had a nice breakfast. So after nice breakfast, today our plan is we'll be going and seeing some of the tourist spot around here nearby. So अभी हम जो जा रहे हैं Banki Falls. It's a waterfall nearby. So let me talk about few of the hotspots which are nearby, which you can explore if you have come to this place. So like I was saying, Banki Fall is around 23 kilometers from this place, and there is another waterfall called as Panai Waterfalls. It is around 40 kilometers from this place again. As we are talking, we stopped by at a palm fruit seller on the way, on the highway only. So palm fruit जो होता है, it has a pulp inside, बाहर में shell रहता है. Once you open that up, अभी मैं आपको process दिखाऊंगा. ये अभी open कर रहे हैं. ये एक टॉप शेल रहता है, उसके अंदर और एक देयर इज अ लेयर ऑफ शेल्स बेसिकली. देन इनसाइड जो पल्प रहता है दैट इज एडिबल, एंड वो जो रहता है वाटरी कंटेंट रहता है, और इट इज़ वेरी न्यूट्रिशियस. इट विल बी लेस स्वीट एंड वेरी न्यूट्रिशियस. सो हैविंग आफ्टर हैविंग द palm fruit, now we are heading towards the Banki Falls. Just reached here, and it's just half kilometer from the road. There's a short trek in the forest area. And that will take you to the top of the hill where you can see the waterfalls. But abhi summer season hai, so we didn't see much, and locals told that there is not much of a water to see. So now we are heading back. That we couldn't explore much. There was nothing, and it was pretty hot. Roads are now newly built, and it is very good to drive. But there was nothing much to see right now at this moment. Maybe rainy season you would see. Now we are heading towards Pearl Valley, जो यहाँ से around 27 to 28 kilometers है. वहाँ पे होटल मयूरा है. It is of KSDC. So we'll be going towards that place to have our lunch. There is a Pearl Valley Dam as well. quite famous, and they have a valley viewpoint, just to take pictures. And now, as we are talking, we reached here. It's a very good place to have your lunch with a nice view. They have hotel rooms as well if you want to stay. They have nearby this hotel, they have a boating facility as well. Near to this there is a Mathula Mudu waterfalls as well. बहुत famous है. People from this side visit to that place quite often. And ये सब accessible है Bangalore में भी, because it is falling under Karnataka Tamil Nadu border. And KSDC has chains of hotel all across Bangalore and Karnataka, starting from Mysore, Madikeri, you name places, and they have a hotel and stays there. And plus they provide packages as well, holiday packages, government packages that you can take, very affordable and very so packages में they have pilgrimage packages, heritage packages, city tour packages, nature tour packages. नेचर टूर पैकेजेस में आपका ऊटी वगैरह रहेगा शायद. एंड so all in all it is very good. You can contact them. So we came to this place just because of the view that it has to offer. And we had our lunch, ordered drinks, food. It was at a reasonable price. I wouldn't say very high or very low. As you can see our little friend here, I'll take you through the menu card just for your reference, so that you can see the prices for the food menu. Like I said, pretty affordable. You can see the amazing view, which is really worth it. And along with that, the food that we had ordered, it was not that spicy. It was very good. I wouldn't say amazing food, but it's worth it, the price that you pay. And we had our food and drinks, and after that we started heading back towards the property again. After a nice heavy lunch, we headed back towards our hotel again. It is afternoon, and we took some rest here in our hotel room. And in the evening time, we again headed towards the jungle area, just to have a stroll and enjoy the nature. जैसा कि मैंने कहा था, इवनिंग के टाइम पे वेदर बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है. समर सीजन में भी वेदर ठंडा रहता है, नाइस कूल ब्रीज चलता है. तो आप ऑलमोस्ट इफ़ यू वॉक फॉर 2-3 किलोमीटर्स भी आपको पता नहीं चलेगा. और व्यू इतना अच्छा रहता है, फ्रेश एयर भी रहता है. तो यू विल एंजॉय योर टाइम इफ यू टेक अ स्ट्रॉल इन द इवनिंग टाइम और अर्ली मॉर्निंग टाइम. और अगर विंटर सीजन है तो यू कैन थ्रू आउट द डे कभी भी आप वॉक पे जा सकते हैं. आप एज आई एम टॉकिंग, यू कैन सी द नाइस व्यू बिहाइंड. आप देख सकते हैं द प्रोटेक्टेड Cauvery North Wildlife Sanctuary. You can see. As I am talking, there is a discussion that we might go for a trekking downhill. Again, we'll climb up in the corridor area, and we'll see the area where the elephant passed through. So as discussed, now we are going through trekking के लिए जा रहे हैं अंदर. So as we are going ahead, let me talk about the Cauvery North Wild Sanctuary. It is a protected area located in between Dharmapuri Krishnagiri district of Tamil Nadu. And sanctuary का name was located above the Cauvery river of Tamil Nadu, so that's why it is called as Cauvery Wildlife Sanctuary of Karnataka state. ये electric fences that you see, ये सारे हैं गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा यहाँ पे लगाए गए solar electric fences to protect the wild animals basically. This sanctuary basically comes under Melagiri Hills range, which is a significant wildlife corridor in the Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat का combination जो area रहता है. And it forms a vital link to the Hills, BR Hills, and wildlife sanctuary of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve as well. The sanctuary covers parts of Balakot Taluk of Dharmapuri Forest Division और Denkani Kotai Taluk of Hosur Forest Division, जो कि जहाँ पे अभी हम हैं. It is falling under Western Tamil Nadu region. People say that if you go towards the other side, Ancheti to Kodihalli side, Kanakpura side, the roads are very good, and you will have a jungle drive kind of, and if you're lucky you might sight a cheetah, tiger as well, along with elephants also. So this is a quite steep trekking for us, so you have to do it twice or thrice. You have to climb down, again climb up. So if you are a nature lover or you love trekking, then this place is good for you. Near to the hotel, you can come for a trek in the first half or maybe second half. Don't come in the afternoon time, you can come in the early morning or evening time. अभी आप जैसे देख पा रहे होंगे, इट इज़ नॉट दैट ग्रीन, लश ग्रीन, बिकॉज इट इज़ अ स्टार्टिंग समर, और काफ़ी आपको ड्राई दिख रहा होगा. बट ड्यूरिंग द रेनिंग सीजन इट बिकम्स वेरी लश ग्रीन. एंड तो आपको अगर ग्रीनरी पसंद है तो ड्यूरिंग द रेनिंग सीजन ऑल्सो यू कैन विजिट दिस प्लेस. एरिया कवर में ऑन द कर्नाटका साइड इट कवर्स मांड्या, चामराजनगर एंड द रामनगर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ कर्नाटका एज वेल. तो काफ़ी वाइड स्प्रेड है दिस वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी. तो आपको जगह जगह देखने को मिल जाएगा, जैसे यहाँ पे भी हमने देखा था कि trespass is prohibited in the reserve forest and parking your vehicle, use of plastic is prohibited, और रोड साइड में स्मोकिंग करना, लिक्विड करना इनसाइड द फॉरेस्ट इज प्रोहिबिटेड, ट्रेसपास विल बी प्रोसिक्यूटेड। तो ये सब चीज़ आपको ध्यान में रखना है, आपको कोई रूल्स और इनके जो रूल्स हैं वो तोड़ने नहीं हैं, यू हैव टू फॉलो ऑल दैट एंड यू कैन गो फॉर जस्ट नॉट टू डीप, बट बाहर से आप प्राइवेट लैंड जो है उसके आसपास के एरिया में यू कैन गो फॉर अ ट्रेकिंग।
By the North Cauvery Wildlife Basin, okay? So we can either go this way or that route. It's an elephant passing corridor.
Correct.
It's a 552 square kilometer elephant passing corridor.
Corridor.
Goes all the way to Bullykutta,
Right.
Cauvery range.
Right.
Okay? You can sight elephants, deers, wild boars over here.
And this one is a
That's a trench. These are the solar lines.
Correct.
Okay?
Protection of
It is,
animals,
but
no?
it's very mild. It's relatively mild. I don't know how
Correct.
it works, but yeah.
And that is the periphery where
This
all
is the benefit. No, this is a trench. So this is the thing.
okay.
Okay? That's private land.
और ये जैसे कावेरी नॉर्थ वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी है, देयर इज अ साउथ वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी एज वेल व्हिच इज लार्जर एज वेल एंड इट इज अराउंड 68,000 हेक्टेयर्स एरिया में है, काफ़ी बड़ा है। इट इज़ होम टू almost 35 species of mammals and 238 species of birds. So that is also, you can explore if you are a nature lover, you like to explore, love trekking, or going, spending time with nature. So you can, explore that side as well. As we are discussing, now हमने एक full circle ले लिया from where we started and now almost we are nearing, that circle and we will be reaching to the property in some time. So almost we took a 3 to 4 kilometer trekking, which was again, we had to climb up, we had to go down. So it was quite a good, exercise for us, covering all these part. So now we'll be heading back to our property and then we'll, start checking out from the hotel. So all in all, I would say we had a very good time, in terms of stay, food और आसपास में activities वगैरह. So if you love all these things and you like to, spend time with nature, love trekking, you love to see wild animals, you can go for a safari ride as well. You can contact, the property owner, they'll help you with that. So all in all, this is a very good place if you love nature, love to spend time, with in terms of adventurous things. You can visit here. So thanks, for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel if you like the video, and stay connected and reach out to me if you need any help or any information with regards to property or stay. I'll be sharing all the other details in the description box as well. So check out that, for more information, and stay connected. Thanks.